Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So this is YouTube, so let me quickly introduce myself for those who are watching my video for the first time. I'm a professional trader and I've been using technical analysis for the past 6 years to make money on the markets. And I'm here to show you guys how I do it and all the different tools and techniques that work the best for me. And most importantly, I want you guys to be able to do it yourself. So in today's video, I want to make a complete analysis of AMC and see what my tools are giving me. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is AMC. Let's start on the forward time frame as usual, and let's do a bit of Elliott wave counting first, and then let's zoom in a little bit and see what kind of signals we can find on the shorter term. So the first thing, let me just quickly show you guys what I'm doing here. So move up, all right, the first here, then correction in here. Sorry, this is a bit disgusting. Up, my correction is like this, ABC guys. Moves up, develop in 5 waves, move down, develop in 3 waves. All right, so this is my move down. Let me put it in green. All right, and right now we are having this new move up, but it is not happening right now. We're waiting for a third wave. So this is what we're looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I think we're going to go to 35, and this is only going to be our third wave. Then we're going to correct and probably go higher, but this would take a bit of time, guys. First, here we're wondering what is happening on the shorter term. So as I said, this is only a second wave of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that is happening here. And we are trying to guess when it's going to be complete. So we need to understand what kind of correction we're having here. And I was telling you this, guys, many times already before. I was expecting a WXY correction to take place here. So we are having our ABC, that is the W wave. We're having another ABC that is X wave. And right now, guys, we have a few scenarios possible. So let me discuss it with you. So we need a Y to take place. Y waves can be flat, triangles, or zigzag. So let's do the 3 scenarios, all right? So my first scenario is that we would have a zigzag. So we had the A wave here. I was telling you guys in my previous videos that we are going to have some bullishness coming back here. Actually on the earnings, so very quickly the earnings, were quite good. So AMC was up 8%, blah blah blah. Reported first quarter 2021 financial results Thursday night. So Aaron, who is the CEO, said the company now has about 1/3 of the US market. So basically they have more market share. We finally can now say that we're looking at an increasingly favorable environment for movie-going and for AMC as a company over the coming few months. The revenue is still down, blah, blah, blah. AMC is not yet back to profitability, but the company has raised a lot of capital, we know that, to navigate through the balance of this crisis. With enough cash on hand, news that it has gained market share during the downturn, and an environment where consumers are going back out, after the COVID crisis, investors may be ready to believe there will be a long-term positive outcome for AMC. So this is, the bullishness we're having here. That's I was expecting. So of course you have a news that helps us, but we would have this B wave anyways, guys. That's how the price action is developing. And right now we're wondering what is happening here. So like I said, we can have an ABC. So the typical B wave would go to the 0.38.2 retracement level. So 1 minus the golden numbers, so it would go to the 1030 area. All right, and then we would have a C wave that would probably go, we have 2 levels here. So this is kind of the bearish case. Either we go to the bottom of the W wave, so it's around 830, or we go even lower, but it's not my preferred scenario, to the bottom of the 4th wave here. So we have 2 levels possible if we have an ABC, 830 or 750. So this is the bearish case. Now we could have a flat. So if it's a flat correction, the B wave goes much higher and just comes back here. We could have a flat as a Y wave as well. So that's why it's very interesting to see how much bullishness there's going to be here. So a flat is an ABC, but the B wave need to go at least to the 0.786 fib retracement level. So it's 1150. And if we go to this level, then the C wave would probably just go around the bottom of the wave A. So it's around 9. So this would give us some precious information depending how strong the rebound would be at the beginning of next week, because I believe strongly that AMC would go higher, even if it's only a B wave, you're gonna feel some bullishness coming back, and then we're gonna have the C wave. Unfortunately, this is a bit, to me, inevitable, but let's see where the B wave is going. And one more scenario that is also very likely, guys, is that we're having a triangle. And I'm going to show you why I think the triangle is actually the most likely scenario. So A, B, C, D, E. You know, we would have something like this. Okay? And this would be my Y wave. Let me show you why, guys. You just type Elliott wave thrust and pressure on Google. You take the second link and you find this PDF here. That is the PDF of the book that is containing so much precious information, guys. If you want to know more, click on the link in the description of this video. I did a sum up using nice examples and, you know, just giving you, for me, the most important information about this book. So if you want to know more, just click on this link. But here, look what it's saying. So it's talking about double threes and triple threes. So exactly what we are having here, some sideways combination of corrective patterns. All right. So this is what we're having here, guys. WXY, it's exactly this. And he's saying, recall that triangles occurring alone precede the final movement of larger trend. Combinations appear to recognize this character and spot triangles only as the final wave in a double or triple three. So what it means is that usually at the end of a triple three, you have a triangle, exactly like we have on, sorry, this is GameStop, you see, exactly like we're having on GameStop actually. So that's why I expect kind of the same complex correction to take place here. So a triangle here would make sense. So we're going to see if we have a triangle after A, B. So let me put it a different color, guys. Let me put it in yellow. So after we're having the B wave, and if the C wave rebounds here, you know, around this level, and we see this contraction that is happening with a realized volatility that is going lower, you know, then we would know we have a triangle. So we can play the D wave and the E wave. And we're having some very good information that everything looks fine and that this is just a sideways complex correction and that we're going to have the third wave coming. So this would be, I don't know when, guys, let's be honest, maybe around the 25th of May if I look at this. So once again, I sum up what I've just said here, guys. We're having a Y wave that is taking place. And we have three levels for this Y wave. Either, so the most bearish one, we go to 750. I don't believe it. Or we go to 830 by doing a zigzag. Why not? And we can see that here we're having at 1030 the 200 period moving average coming as well. So it makes sense for our fib retracements. So this is a very usual scenario. So we go to 1020, we correct, we go to 830. Bearish case. Then the other case is we do a flat. So we come back here like this. Bam, bam, bam. All right. Then we go higher. Or we do a triangle, which I just showed you guys. And the triangle would be the most bullish one. And it would be the one I would prefer to see, guys. Because like you've just seen written in the book, here, the triangles are usually the last, you know, something like this, the last corrective patterns in a sideways correction of combinations of corrective patterns that is preceding the next move up. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button. So you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.